All-new 2025 Piaggio Ape Auto DX Classic Auto Rickshaw comes with key features such as new digital display unit, powerful 435cc single-cylinder diesel engine that delivers out a maximum power of 5.7 kW, 3600 rpm and maximum torque of 19 Newton meters at 2200 rpm and a superior warranty of 42 months, best-in-class resale value, and an impressive mileage up 36 kilometers per litre. Another feature of this vehicle is easy to service and affordable spare parts. Analog meter is now replaced with new digital display unit.